Hey! What's up, guys? And welcome to whatever the fuck this is. We're back. We Doobie is our back with announcement. Oh wait, I'm gonna share it. Announcements. Hit everyone. There we go. Sup. We have a little bit of work to do. Beans. Exactly. Anyways, we have shit to do. We have an issue. So, apparently, level ups skip the levels 2 and 7. I don't know why. Where's the level system? Level system. Yeah, this is like... Hello, Dingsel. How are you? I'm fine. Could have been better, could have been worse. Actually, it's not that bad. Wait, where the heck is the Wait, is it just adding? Yeah, it's actually a function on the player called add XP. So we probably have to look on the prototypes. Right. Somewhere up here, no? Extensions. Empty prototypes. Add XP. There we go. So apparently, that doesn't make sense, but sure. Well, we'll test it again. And after that, after we fix this bug, we will make the UI. And after that, we can start doing the networking. Where's your native language? It's German. One might think that you might already know that, but apparently not. Anyways, it's German. Anyways. Oh yeah, and I also need to continue building this because, well, the only thing stopping us from releasing this is the building. / clear. We don't need the UI for now. Yeah, so there's an issue with adding XP. So, level 0. So first of all, you shouldn't start at level 0. That's, I think, also wrong. Because now we're yeah. I don't think that starting at level 0 is to play. So wait, close others? Oh my god! I'm so happy that it didn't leak my how is it, my key, because I made it a secret. Dude, I really couldn't be bothered getting a new database key. Anyways, there, level system, right? So why exactly is it starting at 0? We could theoretically just display the number +1, right? So we would just, you've leveled up, you are now level, or what is level? Find next level. Huh? +1. And then we can also do. Good morning, hey! Welcome to the stream. +1. Oops, that's not what I want. I want to reload. Why this error is placebo, don't worry about it. No, but why I need to start regolith. Regolith. Oh no. What do you mean? Oh, what do you mean? Okay, your sleep schedule is broke. No, it's fine. Is there like a regular update command? See, guys. Updates cache resolvable. Yeah, but like. You need to clear cache or something like that. How do I clear the cache? Clean. Okay, I see. I guess that worked out. This is a game changer, actually. No, just so it just gets the newest version. It doesn't matter. Oh my god, guys! Also, I got enough points to get myself a €5 Xbox code or whatever. Does a run appear so you need to run command in admin PowerShell window? Yeah, it's annoying, and I'm not going to do that because it's annoying. Okay. I think that's fine. The only thing I'm worrying about is, like, I specifically said that it should do this, but not the, oh wait, because I don't catch it, I think, in the main JS. Yeah, I do .then, but I do not do .catch. Can do just .catch without a function? Yeah, it literally just doesn't need a function. Yeah, okay, so we got rid of this. You should do an elbow reveal. Okay, now this is sus. An elbow. Guys, if you really wanna see body parts of me, I know that sounds very wrong, but if you guys wanna see body parts of me, I did handcam streams, okay? I used to stream with a handcam. Okay, so that's more like it. Yeah, you see? It skipped level 2. Nice coming to expert sorted. Yeah, I know what that error was. The cache was the actual error, which I was surprised. So console.warn current value current plus value and next. And I'm gonna also log this. Alright, so at level 7 it also skips randomly the... Oh, would you look at this? Floating point precision. You think that's why level 7 is not working? What in the actual fuck? Oh, because I'm doing +1, but level is... It says that it's a number, but it's a string. Okay, then let's just get rid of this. Hello, Gene. Go to stream. Well, why does it say it's a number if it's not a number? Where do I find your hand cams? I don't know, man. Like... so that works. Okay, so at level 7 it should break. One. Whoa. Is this the next one? No, it's the current profile. The next one is 730. How the fuck does that work? We have current, right? We have current. We have value. This is the current plus value. And then we have next. Oh, okay, I see. And then the boolean. So at level... I think we just... I think all we have to do is just to just round it, right? Yeah, look at this. Sexy floating point precision. We love programming. So, and it just skipped, it skipped level 7. Guys saw that? There. Yeah, you see, because this is not big or equal. But this is. I'm just gonna math.round it. Or should we round it? I'm just gonna round it. Alright. Then same thing should be happening for mining. Let's round it. Yeah, that was my idea. It's just that maybe I wanted to floor it or seal it. Oh, hi Pablo. Today later in the stream we're gonna be making UI. I wanna try myself with JSON UI. Ooh, fancy. So, and if everything goes right, then we should see level 2 here. Then we can... You should do a regular tutorial. You really do not need a regular tutorial. Level 2. Okay, we fixed the error, guys. We fixed the error. Okay, there's no point in breaking these because they're just gonna respawn. Except for when we are faster. If we're good enough, we can just... Almost. Really, you guys wanna have a regular tutorial? How do I make block regenerate with set timeout? System dot run timeout, rather. But yeah, you get my point. Okay, so we can close this issue. Close issue. Okay, can I like close as not planned? No, close issue. It takes up pretty good. they're well enough to get people understanding. Alright, then fix all respawning and unloaded chunks. Well, we cannot really fix this, but what we can do is we can just load the chunks, you know. If you leave while the blocks are in broken state. Yes, as you can see in my issue table, that is indeed an issue. But everything's gonna have a ticking area anyways. Except for at least the mining areas, or like can make the whole island a ticking area, no? Anyways, pro tip: find everything created by searching for author things. Thanks, bro. Yes, I don't know if ticking areas have a size limit. They do. They do. But first of all, you have 10, and second of all, the main server that needs the ore respawning has BDSX, so we can just do some dark magic stuff there. Alright, now for the UI part. We need some kind of UI. How's it called? A main menu. So right now there's nothing. We could also give the entity the tick work component. Well, those are not entities. Those are blocks. When does all UI outcome? It is already in the game. We just don't have access to it. When it will be released to public, I don't know. I really cannot tell. I don't think this is even needed, but I'll leave it there. Main menu, form.js. Alright. World dot after events dot item use dot subscribe. Have you guys noticed that I got a new keyboard? It was a while back, but now I can finally type these characters. I'm not dependent anymore. That means I can walk faster now. Right, so we have item stack and the source. So if item stack dot type ID is unequal to, I don't know, what was it? Skyle main menu. No, it should just return. Right, and we can theoretically show a form. I'm gonna be trying to do something with JSON UI, although I cannot guarantee something. Yeah, I cannot guarantee something. You could make it so when join word are currently broken by random delay. You see, that would require... No, like, we cannot really do that. Exactly. We could store them temporarily, but no. I'm just gonna load the chunks. The chunks have to be loaded anyways, for mobs and shit. You know, a custom block for unbreakable blocks. That's like, well, I thought of doing that, but that's too much work. Like, why would you wanna do so much work for that little stuff, you know? Alright. So we need a form. Action. You see? Oh. Action form data. It's a static data. We do not need to put this in here, but title test dot body dot button I need to do that for Exoiled Skygen. Ah, I see. Test 1. I'm gonna be doing 9 buttons probably. Or actually I probably only realistically I only need 6, right? What I want to do is like a grid, right? Instead of like yeah, just a grid. I think you all know what a grid is. Form dot show source async. Oh wait. Alright, so we should have a random ass form now. Yep. Seems about right. Alright. RP UI server form. Did I already try to do something with server forms? I do not remember doing something with server forms. Alright. Are there better alternatives for JavaScript with types instead of TypeScript, because it's a pain to change my current JS code to TS. Also, global variables are so broken in TS. That will be fun. Again, you can make types, right? And then import the types with JSDoc. That is what I do. So I have types without using TypeScript. That will be fun. Oh yes, indeed. So I need to find the panel. I need the long form panel, right? This one. I think. Type stack panel. What types are there? I think I need that, guys. I do not know what I actually need. There's literally a thing called grid. I do not think that this will just work. Okay, so I have to rejoin. What the hell was that for an error? No, but you're not supposed to be depending on that. Come on. And but like, why does like the scripting just stop working if modules that are not being used? It doesn't matter. Yeah, but I always need to keep the files for us instead of open. It doesn't give me syntax help for it. UI control panel indent. Unknown property orientation. Orientation, this. Gone. Hi, spell my name? Right, I'll sub. What do you mean? Aim. What? You know, I'm really bad at reading names, but like, and then property orientation. Did I just? But I. Yes, same using. Is it some kind of racist shit or something like that, or is it like seriously a? X aim lock cues. I don't know what it's supposed to mean, but it's really definitely very hard to pronounce. Well, yeah, it's aimless. No, I challenge streamers. Okay. I mean, yeah. X aimless. Well, I guess I failed the challenge then. But didn't I just remove the orientation property? Or does it like inherit the orientation property? Okay, I'll swap. Okay. Thanks, I guess. I do not have any type of alerts yet, but I'm looking forward to making some. Yeah, that's fine. Maybe it just didn't save. No, it says or maybe because it's using Subtitle. Thanks, man. The inside header panel from Nemesis.com. Maybe we can make something different, okay? Now hear me out. We're just gonna revert a bit. So, what is this? None? How can you have none orientation? I wanna see that. I wanna see that. Okay, it still has orientation. Or if we do it vertical. Are the buttons just mashed? Nope. I have fun. Okay, when I increase the size, I think it's height and then width. Or is it first X and then Y? Oh my god, this shit is making me paranoid. Can you try something? That is a button. Oh. Yeah, we do. Yeah. That was a button. Okay. For anyone that is like good in JSON, this must be like the best shit they've ever seen, right? Long form. This is what I need, no? Wait, no, I don't need the title size. The title size can stay. Let's make it 450. By the way, why can't I do this? No, with other stuff it works, you know. Okay, the form is bigger. Wait. Ugh. What the hell? But it's literally percent. Oh no, it's not. So let's make it like 80%. I sent it in Scalandia suggestion. Sure. Create require. Okay, but like, why would that work? No, obviously that won't work. What did I do? Okay, so 80% is not 80% of the whole screen. It's 80% of, you sure? Yeah. Like that, well, why would that work in scripting API? Node modules aren't supported. Hold up. There must be there was like something pinned in the JSON UI channel for like for like how's it called, view heights and shit. But it was like the old JSON UI. And then you had the pins, yeah. Still, man, you cannot import node thingy. Property information for is also done for the percent relative to parent element to the total of the maybe percent %C is what we need. Where is it? Percent %C. Oh, that did a lot. Oh, some to sibling elements to a total width. So x percent %x. Maybe percent %x will work. Dude, what is this? Well, why can't I use percentages? Like, I can make the form bigger, yeah, sure. But... problem with that is that it just... see that? At some point it just... does this. I'm not really sure if there's a device that does this. What if I do calculations? Like this minus, like pixels minus 10% or something like that. Yeah, no. I wanna see, do the guys at CubeCraft fix that problem with weird screen ratio? Dude, why are there so many packs? Nope. I want some kind of a menu like this. No, they got the scaling done properly. So there is a way to like make it scale off. Okay, maybe they use some different type of screen for I mean, as you guys can see, just pixels. Want a tip? Yes. like what the hell? Okay, so that isn't working. This must be like top comedy for Pablo, bro. Don't use percent. Yeah. Okay, then how would I make something scale based on the screen size? Because else this happens. And I mean, it auto fixes itself, you know. But like, why? You know, just why? But on a general 16 by 90s, I think we can make it like just a bit smaller, like maybe 400. So we have, I don't know, I think it's a better ratio. Wait, try with 100%, 100%? Why? 100%, 100%. We're just gonna end up, how's it called? Mashed together. Yeah. It's literally just... Why doesn't it like percentages though? Don't understand it. Why doesn't it like percentages? Alright, but I'm happy with like the ratio, but yeah. I mean, this is actually like it like turns. I mean, it's fine. You see, it's still usable, but you can click on the X. Like, look at this. Imagine you're an iPad, right? An iPad is like that ratio, and you see that. Like, what the hell? You know what I mean? At the main screen content, the size is 0, as long as the form is a child of... as long as... dude, what is this shitty YouTube feature? It is literally covering up my chat. You guys see this? Those emotes are covering up the fucking text. At the main screen content, the size is 0 and... long form child is... I see, so, main screen content... Oh! So would I have to make this percentages? Like 80%, 80%, like 80%. Right? And I don't know. The height was fine, I think. Like 200. I can just do 100%, 100%. But wait, will this mess up my other shit? No, do it and change it in a long form. Well, it worked. Oh, it worked good enough. The main screen is truly the main screen. And it inherits that from the column main panel. No, wait, no, that's the wrong thing. Or is it? No. Long form panel. And change it at the long form. This is the long form panel, and this are just... I'm stupid. I mean, is there anything wrong with like modifying the main panel? You know? But hey, at least it scales properly now. If you add multiple UIs... Ah, I see. And I cannot conditionally render those because this doesn't have the title property or what? I guess that makes sense. So what I would do is... This is like the thing. Okay, but where does it like inherit the thing from? Where does it use the main screen content? Funny, it doesn't. Fuck JSON UI. Alright, so we'll leave this at 0, 0. Do I just have to add this as like a control? Oh no, a control is like a nested element, right? Yeah, where the heck would I modify it? Let's go as like the renderer. Right. So I'm confused. Change the screen of the main screen content to. Okay, I guess. I mean, I see where this is useful, but yeah, I see where this is useful, but oops. Yeah, I guess so you can have more dynamically sized elements instead of having that one schema for every element. Yeah, I don't like the height, but the width is nice. Let's make the height... I still want it to be slightly less because of the natural 16 to 9 yeah, 60 to 9 ratio. Would be good if it has like more space at the bottom, right? Now the funny part, making this a grid. I wanna just so I know that if I'm in the right direction, okay? Would I have to change the type, or would I have to rearrange the buttons? I mean, at the end I have to do both, but... Like, I know that this is like long form panel. If I change those, the buttons will change, right? But those aren't... Well, we'll just see what happens. Yep, okay, so this is exactly what I thought would happen. We do not want to edit this. Also, should I join VC? Because you are in VC. It must be like some kind of button, right? Dynamic button. That sounds dynamic. That sounds quite dynamic. Okay, so this did a little more. This did a little more. So, orientation. So, if I... Ja, komm mal. Dann kommt der innere Deutsche raus. Sup, Pablo?
Hola.
I'm getting blamed for my JCI skills. Boys, what does orientation none do?
The thing is, you already had it. You need to type grid, because else it will always go in one direction.
I see. But it errored out, so I don't know. Okay, but we'll see. No, that was fine. Long form panel, stack panel, we need a grid. Grid page indicator stack grid. I assume, because this uses stack panel, that we have to use stack grid.
No normal grid.
Normal grid.
Or stack grid, I don't even know. I do it differently, so I want to know if it works.
I see. So if I do grid, then we'll complain about orientation.
Yeah, the orientation needs to be gone.
Yep, but
You
when
need to
I make it gone, then it's
grid scale, grid size. I don't know.
yeah. But if I remove the orientation, it still complains about having the orientation property. Yeah.
Because I think, let me see, wait. You also need the grid dimensions.
But it's still complaining about the orientation. So from somewhere that grabs orientation. But where? Long form panel. Where is it referenced?
Inside header panel.
Wait, I'm gonna just leave the arrow open. Inside header panel from namespace.
Oh, you changed it there?
Am I supposed to change it somewhere else?
Yes. So basically, the buttons are in the scrolling panel, right?
Yeah. Like,
And
yeah.
you see, the scrolling panel has the content, scrolling content. So you find the scrolling content.
So scrolling, long form scrolling content, right?
Yes.
Inside of here, the yeah.
And now that's not the right thing because there's like the label and everything, right?
Yep. The control labeling.
Because inside that is the title, because that's all in the scrolling content. But inside the wrapping panel.
Wrapping panel. There we go, and that is supposed to be grid. Because
probably
that wraps the buttons, I guess. I don't know. That offsetted the buttons a bit. Oh no, I cannot click them anymore. Okay, I've never seen that. That just made the buttons unclickable. Interesting. What is this? I probably need the grid dimensions.
Yeah, the grid dimensions you need them.
Grid dimensions. Columns, rows. 3 columns, 3 rows. Oops. Hey, where did my thing go? At least I can click the buttons. But it didn't change the thingies. I mean, you
need a lot of stuff inside the grid. You need template, also the grid item template, rescaling type, and the collection name.
Dimension binding for the item template. What is an item template?
I don't know. It shows how big the things are. I don't know. Probably.
Grid, dimension binding, fill direction, grid position, rescaling type probably. Horizontal, vertically. But that's just, again, just one type.
Maybe do a... Go outside the wrapping panel.
Yeah, I am doing this in the wrapping panel.
No, outside of the wrapping panel.
Outside?
Between long form dynamic buttons and the bracket. So you create something new.
A new...
Above the long form dynamic button panel. Just type something like button grid or something.
Long form
scroll down.
Oh yeah. You want me to create a new element?
Yes.
Okay. So shit.
But outside of all of that.
Yeah.
Just
long form grid. And then just there. And then I just put my shit in there.
Yes.
Wait, what was the wrapping panel? Just a panel?
Yes, I think it can.
Alright, long form grid. Then I have the rescaling type, I have the grid, I have dimensions, grid. What do I need to make a grid work?
I think the item template.
Again, what do I have to type in there?
The button. The dynamic button. So you just reference it.
Dynamic button, okay, well where's the... How's the dynamic button? Oh wait, that's somewhere under here, there.
dynamic button.
So
So it
server
must do
form
server.
form
Yeah.
dynamic button. Alright. Got it. And then I use the long form grid. Or I reference it somewhere in the controls or what? Or no, wait.
You also need to reference the collection. So what the long grid is made of. Collection name, I think, was it.
Collection. Oh shit, not the index. Collection name is.
Also the button.
That's the same reference to a button?
Oh, I think form underscore buttons.
Form underscore buttons.
Yeah, I think it's like a variable.
So with the dollar sign.
No, without it.
Form
I think it just knows.
underscore button. There, form buttons. Alright, yeah, collection name
Reference?
form buttons.
Oh, yeah.
I see it. Yeah, it's just literally just. Yeah.
Oh, so we could actually delete just the stack panel that we already have. The dynamic buttons panel.
Oh yeah.
Okay. I don't even know if that already works. I think you also need to have a factory inside the grid.
Inside the grid of factory. I'm just
Wait.
gonna copy the one from above.
No.
No?
Just type factory and then
Just reference
bracket.
factory. Factory. An object.
Name buttons or name buttons.
Just but is it important what thing it has to be, the factory name?
I always call it buttons. I don't know why I did it. So, and then you need to have the control name where it comes from, and that will be the dynamic button.
A reference to it or just
Server underscore form, like the one
yeah,
above.
a reference to it. Alright.
And you can probably delete the long form dynamic buttons panel.
That is okay.
Scary.
Yeah.
And you need to in the wrapping panel you need to go to the long form grid instead of the long form dynamic buttons panel.
Long form the
In the controls.
Yeah, and then just long form grid instead of this.
Yes.
So just this. I know how big
And
the deal
change
is.
the size of the button so it even can do a grid.
Where is the size
No,
for
at the button. In the dynamic button.
that button? Alright.
In the dynamic button,
Yeah.
yes.
I'm just gonna do it
Do like-
50. Just
Yeah.
a test. Just a test.
Do 40 because of the scaling of the bar and something.
Alright. 40. Dude, if that works, then you're a Jason, you're a god.
No, I'm scared. Oh! No errors.
No errors, but
Okay.
also no result. Okay.
No buttons.
No buttons. No content. What
Beep.
does it mean? Something must be wrong with the factory, no?
We probably need a binding.
Yikes.
Go
Can I...
inside the grid.
The grid. This is the grid, yeah.
Wait, can we get that from vanilla?
There must be, like, there are some bindings here. Well, which binding do I need?
We probably only need how many buttons there are, I think. Is there something with the amount of buttons?
Button texture, binding name, form button texture, binding type view. Binding type view, I don't know what.
Oh, it's already in the vanilla. The one that we deleted.
Great.
Wait.
Timeline. I'm just gonna timeline. Bindings, form, length. Okay, I see. I see it. There. Is it just another property like this? Yeah.
And you can copy the size. So 100% and 100% C.
For
The grid.
The grid.
Else the grid is like not
This.
there.
Just this. Alright.
Nee, that's the one from the. Oh no,
Long
that's
from-
right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thought so. Alright.
Maybe that works. Hopefully.
We'll see. Nope. Alright. It's funny that it doesn't tell you any errors.
Yeah. You always are so happy. And then you die.
Wrapping panel, it control.
Show me the dynamic button.
There.
Okay, it's a stack panel.
Means what?
No, it needs to be a stack panel.
Okay.
Do we have the rescaling type in the grid?
Grid rescaling type horizontal.
Mm,
Grid item template, so form the button. Collection name, form buttons.
maybe add some default stuff like the layer and the anchor.
I don't see what an anchor.
Uh,
Top left, anchor to top left.
just the top left. Yes.
Yeah. Let me see what the other one had. The though. It doesn't matter which which. Wait, offset? No, we don't need orientation. You cannot use orientation with.
No, that's the rescaling type.
Yeah.
We have
Makes
the
sense.
factory buttons. We have the collection name, right?
Collection name, form buttons, yeah. Bindings, form button length, collection length. Oh, this one's literally just copy paste. The factory is, yeah, it's also just copy paste. Collection name is supposed to be one line under. I don't think it matters when you insert the things, right?
No, it doesn't. No.
So factory collection name. Wait, what did? Huh? Well, why did I change that?
What?
I changed something, but I don't remember what I changed. Anyways,
Go to the wrapping panel.
wrapping pen. There we go.
Wait, I have a delay.
It's right above.
There, at the main label, change the text like to something so we can see the text.
The main label. Change the
Completely at the top.
this one.
Yes. Change text like to hello.
Oops. Alright. Now let's see if the text shows. It's like debugging, but okay. But that's the body, and it shows.
Okay, so the scrolling panel is actually there, just the rest doesn't work.
That sounds promising. And I'm just open the default resource pack to take a look at the normal long form. Server. Let's go form. There we go. And now I need to find the there was the long form dynamic buttons panel, whatever. Oh, it had different anchors, but I don't think it matters.
No, that doesn't matter.
I'm just gonna copy this part. Boot.
I don't even think I have a working UI right now.
So offset. I don't know. I don't think I need an offset, but sure. Copy paste it till you make it. Okay. I changed the text back. Yeah, okay. Maybe it was the grid, stack grid, because it used the stack panel. Or stack, how's it called? Yeah, stack panel. Maybe it has to be stack grid. Don't know. It was definitely not a stack grid that I was looking
Ah,
for.
great.
Okay, is there anything else I need to grid? Dimension binding? Fill direction?
Maybe.
Filler?
Okay, I have an idea. Go to the top where the namespace is.
Yep.
And change it to like custom form or something.
The
So we
namespace.
don't. Yeah. So we don't overlay the vanilla one. Like maybe it does some crazy shit. I don't know.
But that would make the whole UI just...
No, it wouldn't. Because we have the factory. It always loads when a server form. You could do that in any file.
Good, but it did nothing.
Okay. But it still works.
Did nothing.
Jason, yes. Oh shit.
Yep. 100% agree. Maybe because I'm still missing some grid properties. Like, I don't know. Grid, fill, direction. Horizontal. Grid. Item 1 grid position. I don't know why that would matter. Unknown property grid position. Then why do you even say that? Okay, no grid position. That's great. Okay, hold up. I need to find an example where the grid is being used inside of
Go into common.
Common.
Common something. Okay, just go to find Thailand common. Because there's like everything there's
common,
buttons.
UI common?
Yeah.
Yeah, I need a grid. Give me a grid.
Is there a grid?
There are millions of bindings mentioning a grid, but there is no actually grid type. Oh, there, type grid for a container. Okay, it needs a grid rescaling type. Do we have a... yeah, we do have a grid rescaling type. Size, we do have a size. Anchors, we do have anchors. Item collection name.
That's a very... show me. It probably...
yeah, it is a variable.
Just the collection name. Yeah. The collection name is the item collection name.
Yeah, okay.
So we already have it.
So, collection name. Okay, so it needs a collection name, then a grid item template. We do not have a grid we do have a grid item template. Well, but why is it in variables?
What do you mean?
Why are the,
no, just so you can change it, so you can reference that. Look, the collection name is the item collection name.
Yeah, I know.
And the grid item template is the...
I see it, but like...
item collection.
Okay, bindings. We do have bindings. But that's it.
Also the grid items.
But we do have...
It's something... Oh, I see.
You see it?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, what is it?
Go into the button.
Direct button.
And change the panel that you have for the button.
The panel name? Type panel, yeah?
No. The panel name, yes.
Yeah,
maybe change that to not a percentage with the C at the end. Does that even do anything? I don't know.
That sounds interesting. Does it hate percentages? I mean, I do because it's not working. Okay, so it was...
Okay. Let's just get a button from the common. Go into the common file and search button.
Button. There are 842 buttons.
Let's search a good button. Let me just write something for you. I will send you something.
Some dark magic.
Because if I see right, we don't have a working button. I think.
Why would that happen?
It won't work,
Should
it will
I-
just be like a placeholder. So you can't press it. It just has like texture.
Alright. Wait, let me... should I like try to put a texture on the button? Like, an icon.
You can try whatever you want.
Form. I'm just gonna... Textures... Items... Apple. I wanna see, maybe it's not the button that's dead. Maybe it's something else. No, but it's definitely the button that is dead.
Okay, I will send you something that works. Hopefully. Let me rename it. I just changed it.
Are you gonna send me a dynamic button or like a custom button?
Yeah, a custom button. Oh,
One person or what?
no. Okay, I need to add you as a friend.
How are we not friends?
I don't know. Oh! Still
Oh.
doesn't work. Discord broken?
You're typing.
Okay, I will write it into your YouTube chat.
In my YouTube chat.
Does that work? Oh, no.
Can you write it in this Discord server on like a channel?
Yeah, wait. Resource Rampage.
You have access to it? Yes, you have access to that.
Deine Nachricht konnte nicht zugestellt, weil du mit dem Empfänger keinen Server teilst. Aber
What
ich
we
schreib
do?
doch auf einen.
What do we do?
Aber ich schreib doch auf dem Discord. War das nicht irgendwas?
Wait. Wait, maybe it's too long. If it's too long, then it will also not work.
Yeah, okay, then I will just send you this part. Okay. Cool. Let's steal a button. Is there like buttons?
No, but it's literally just that I'm...
Template buttons. Great.
Do I have to like reference the buttons like differently? No. Like this is just how you reference, right?
Yes.
Damn,
Minecraft has a lot of templates for buttons. Great.
yeah.
Did we use some here?
Or is it the bottom, the button layer that's not working? What if I just layer it to like 500? Oops.
Layer
Yeah. Well, I
Right.
don't know.
would be funny.
Nope. It was indeed not the layer.
Who would have guessed?
I don't know. Could have been.
Oh,
Yeah.
can we just do? Let me see. Zip. Oop. I don't know what we need and what we don't need. We probably don't need this. And
But isn't this...
this.
Maybe it doesn't like the size. I don't see why. But...
There. Oh, it worked.
Uh,
You need to put that into the... Not... You don't replace it with the dynamic button, but with the control thing inside of it.
which control?
The image.
The image.
Oh! Or the button. At the button. Have we already have a button? Wait, that doesn't make sense. Just delete
This one.
everything in the controls except for the button. The form underscore
Anything
button.
but the form underscore button. Okay. Bye bye.
And let's see what could be wrong with that. Collection button form click. Oh, wait, scroll down. Maybe change the size to 32 except of fill. Instead of fill.
Yeah. Oh yeah, because grid and fill doesn't make sense.
Probably won't work.
It did a factory reset.
No.
How does that happen?
I don't even know. Wait, that can't be in relation with...
Maybe it's because I deleted the shit, so it defaults like to the
Well, we changed the thing to something else.
I'm gonna do it 32.
Oh, we probably need the other thing. The delete everything except for form button and the... How was it called? I think the panel name.
The panel name.
Yes.
Oh, I didn't delete that.
You didn't?
No, that is not a. Oh, it's a control of a control. Ah, I see.
Wait, what? I
Yeah.
can't...
They have again controls.
Maybe that's the problem. I wouldn't do it control. Okay, do it again. Delete everything except the... And put the button inside the same control as
Dash.
the...
Where does this go? Ah, it's an array. Yeah, obviously it's. Well, where did? There we go. So we have a control, and inside the control we have the panel, and we have the button. Size, I don't know, we can change that. Do not be a
Let's just get it
percentage.
working.
Yeah, we can style it later. Oh, Dingsel, hello. Dude!
Wait, let me see.
Did nothing.
Nothing changed.
We love
I'm
Jason.
also out of idea.
I didn't misspell or anything, right? It just...
No, you didn't. It would give you errors. It loads something, but it doesn't load anything.
Yeah! Wait, mom. My mom just said that she's gonna make food, I guess. Anyways.
Maybe rename every element to something custom.
Okay. So instead of
Just
dynamic
place
button,
T in front of
dynamic
it or something.
button grid. Yeah. It shouldn't overwrite the default ones, so yeah. I deleted my Discord account. I wonder why.
Who was Raffia?
Um an interesting guy.
Oh, what did he? Oh, the guy with the rank.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah! Twice?
Did
Deleted
it
your
do
Discord
anything?
account twice? No, it didn't do anything. No errors, no whatsoever. It's not even using percentages anymore. It bottom text max size. Well, it's bottom text. It shouldn't matter. Long form grid. Is that able to use percentages? I don't know, but it doesn't matter. Which is why we're gonna do it without percentages first, and see if that works. Nah, this has gotta be a troll.
I'm kind of tempted that you sent me the thing and I.
Look at it, okay? Look at it, but
Okay.
so you can and see what it did wrong.
I'll try to fix it for me and then explain it to you.
Yeah. Well, I also try to fix it.
So give me this. Do I have any pack that I can use it? Yeah.
You're not in the
Just-
Skylandia organization, right?
Nope. I just put it.
I'm gonna
inside.
invite you.
This one.
How you called?
Wasn't-
I'm gonna invite you to the Skylandia organization.
What's that?
The organization where all the Skylandia shit is. The add-on, the server, the workflows for the servers.
Is that Git or Discord?
Git.
Okay.
Are you just called Schwerti?
Yes.
Okay. Password. Member. Send invitation. There you go. I know you can. There are like 4 repositories with the backend, the add-on, the main server, and the player server. There.
Wait, why am I in an animation controller? That wasn't mine. Okay. So we have. Let's go from the top to the bottom.
I'm just gonna change stuff. I don't even care if it like makes sense or not. It's Jason here. It doesn't make sense at all. So yeah. Fucking helicopter.
Rolling panel.
I made it because I wanna clear the history of chat. A lot of arguments and toxicity chats. I guess that's very mature, but yeah, it's good. I'm gonna start with new positivity. That's good. Collection name. Well, it's working for this. Do I have a binding type? Do not have a binding type. Do I need a binding type? It just does nothing. Crazy. Why are you deleting the messages though? Not like I can just rewind the stream. Okay, bye.
What? What? What just happened?
I don't know, he just deletes the messages.
Okay.
Undertale closed. Are you making like an Undertale remake?
Yes, I'm doing one with my friend. Because
Ooh.
we had a map built in 2019 and we got it back via Xbox and we want to make a
Ah,
thing.
I see. I'm anonymous and deleted the message. Can't be that anonymous when you use YouTube, bro. Google has all your data. They know where you live. Okay? They know what you like. They know what you hate. They know that you have created new Discord accounts. They know everything about you. Just saying.
Just saying.
I don't know if it's with my long form grid or if it's with the button. I mean, this is a very basic button and it doesn't work, so
I have buttons and I have a grid.
what have you done?
What? I don't know what I've changed.
Give me. I'm gonna compare.
Wait. Let me do some testing. I just changed a lot of stuff and hope that it worked.
I wanna
And
see.
it
I
worked.
wanna see the changes.
I just reverse engineer right now. Chill.
Reverse
Imagine.
it.
Okay, it's not that. That just does some weird ass shit.
We can do the styling later. It's not like.
Okay, let's go back and another step. Wait. So it probably has something to do with this. Your grid is wrong. I won't send it to you. You need to fix it yourself.
Okay. So what is wrong with it?
Wait, that's the part that I still need to figure out.
Huh? I mean, yes, my grid is wrong, but what of it? Just
Yeah, wait.
compare the two. What is different? What do you have what I don't have? Or what do you don't have that I have?
Button length, collection name from buttons. Let me test this one if I change that. That crashed my MC.
Average JSON UI.
But why? Oh, yeah, okay, that makes sense. Okay, that could make sense if that's the problem, but I
Yeah.
need to test. I could even explain that.
Okay, okay.
And it's not just random shit.
Explain it!
Wait. Okay, I have no buttons.
But you had it!
Yeah. Chill.
Yeah, just 1 second ago.
Let me try this. In the meanwhile, I'll rearrange all of oh. Still don't have any buttons.
Let's see if I can figure out it myself.
I'm extremely confused right now.
Same. Same.
Mm. Do you have like a... Did I spell something wrong?
But I guess yours just works and mine doesn't, or what? Is that
No. I have your version and my version next to each other, and they are completely built up the same, but I just have other...
yeah? Yours is just better.
Nope, I found the
Okay.
black sheep.
What is the black sheep?
We don't use a stack panel anymore, but a grid. So we need to change the binding.
2.
Wait. That's stuff that I need. We don't have... Okay. Try putting the binding name override to hashtag maximum grid underscore item. Maximum underscore grid underscore items.
Maximum. I don't know how to spell that.
Let me see. Just try.
There's a list of hard-coded things on the.
No, it's not. No, none of them.
So without a hashtag.
No, with a hashtag.
So it's hard-coded. So
Yeah.
it must be in bedrock.dev.
It's not hardcode. It's a name override, so you can call the function with that.
Yep. But
And we use a grid, so the grid uses...
I wouldn't. I can't write it. Okay, I have like. I don't know. I want to see the documentation for like.
I put it in chat. If you... It
In
works.
maximum grid items. Thanks.
And what I would do is change the size of the y coordinate to a 100% C.
I see. Okay.
Because else... Yeah, we have a problem. C is like the size of the child element.
Yep,
so
yep. The size of a button or which? Like the long form grid? Which one?
Long form grid, yes. So the grid scales in downward size as the buttons get more.
Give me a second, long form. I'm just gonna copy the original one, no?
That would be smart.
There we go. Now we should have good button.
Very good button. The funny part is the grid dimensions are just a scam. They don't care about the grid dimensions.
But you still need to have them.
Yeah, you just...
Yeah. Alright, we got that far.
Do we have good button?
Well, I'm gonna revert the button to its original thing
Yeah.
and see if that works. So dynamic button. Oh no, fucking GitHub, it's pain.
Hey, but we have dynamic buttons
Hey,
after 2 years.
you have to explain to me why I needed to change the binding name override.
I don't even know.
Just JSON UI.
I think it's because the grid... Nah, yeah.
Just JSON UI.
It's somewhere, I found it somewhere in the inventory and just copied that and it worked.
Bruh. Oh,
Next,
am I that
Yeah,
bad
here it
at
is.
copy paste?
in the scroll grid there's also the maximum grid items and I just joined that.
Oh, why? Am I that bad at copy pasting that I can't even copy paste a dynamic button no more.
You will learn copy pasting the more you learn JSON UI.
For real. Yeah, I'm just gonna... There.
I kinda want my old UI back. I just have.
Which UI?
No, I replaced my UI that I made with your UI.
No!
But I was quite proud of that. Oh, okay. I still have it. Wait, I want to show you something.
Show me something.
Hmm.
This I'm fucking...
Okay, watch.
Give me a second. I am shit at copy pasting objects. Like, why the fuck did it? Oh, because it's missing a. Not here. Right, but this is it. It's missing a control over here? Nope, not here. Here. Ah, there we go. Alright. Let's show what Pablo,
Oh.
A lot of errors.
Okay.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Fancy.
And
It's
when
like
you hover
a-
over them, they tell you the.
You can do shit like on hover effects, the fuck?
I'm trying to make it follow the cursor. I was extremely happy because Minecraft has a thing called follow cursor.
But
just
it
doesn't
doesn't
work.
follow the cursor.
Yeah.
But I think that's even better though for like console and shit.
Yeah. But still, I would really like that.
Damn, but it's fancy.
This here is dynamic, so if the title increases the thing,
Damn.
but I can show you. Okay, I can show you. Nim, 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 nim.
For what is that? It looks like a daily reward system.
I don't even know. I just made it because I was bored.
You were bored and made that.
Yeah, I wanted to test the hover thing out.
Oh.
And you see the scaling? It's always the
110
same.
ms spike. No.
Yeah. The scaling is always the same, even
Yep.
with the buttons and all. And I didn't use any percentage. So,
Damn.
let me see. I haven't tried that out, so if it doesn't work, it would be...
Yeah. Wait, you had like a custom HP
Oh yeah,
bar.
that I also did. It was very cool. Oh yeah, it worked. Very cool.
What did it change?
The top, it is dynamic.
Oh, I see.
And the health thing already works, so... it's
Dude,
okay.
what the hell is with your script though?
Yeah, don't ask.
Is it like a custom health system or is it? How does it
It's
work?
a custom health system, right?
I see.
The zombie gives me health, so don't ask. I
Yes.
needed to test some stuff.
Yeah, obviously. Yeah, how do you even do that? How do you even...
It's the same with the centipede. It's
So just characters.
yeah, a giant text.
I see.
And we have the boss chicken.
Boss
Wait.
chicken.
Oh, we don't have the boss chicken.
No boss chicken.
Do we have the boss iron golem? Yes.
Yep.
Does it do damage? Nope.
I love that there are just 1 million errors.
Yeah. But you can't press the button, so...
What do you mean
It's
you
great.
can't press the buttons?
yeah, I took that out for some testing.
Ah.
But normally you can. Okay,
Damn.
now you need to do some JSON UI.
That is true. Alright, so we have buttons and I want to make them, I don't know, like around 3 or something in one line. So the size of where is it? Dynamic button. Wait, I didn't save yet, and then wait, I didn't. The button grid. It has to be just normal dynamic button. There we go. I think we are not allowed to use percentages
Yeah.
for the button.
Mhm.
Why the fuck did it despawn?
Probably because of the size of your grid. It's the child of the grid, so the percentage is based off of the grid. And it doesn't work like that. The size that you are changing is not the size of the texture, it's the size of the button, if you could.
Yeah,
tell
I
that.
want to change the size of the button. That was
No, you need to change two things. Change that like to 40/40,
40/40.
the stack panel size.
The stack panel. Yeah,
Mhm.
and then probably
Scroll
the panel.
down to the. No, not the panel.
No.
You should change the size of the panel to 0.
Why? Both
So the
0?
X-
Both 0 or what?
No, only the
Alright.
first. And at the bottom you see the main button. With
Does
the,
progress loading bars? No.
No.
Where's the main button? What do you mean with main button?
Scroll down.
Even further.
Yes. There's the button.
There's actually just a thing called button.
No, scroll more down. Yeah, custom. Hey, where's the button?
That's what I'm asking you.
Did you delete the button?
No, not that I'm aware of. No.
I think you. Yeah, you won't find it there. It's in the dynamic button. There's a button.
Oh, in the diamond button.
Yes.
This is literally just copy pasted from the old thing. There, the dynamic
But you don't have any
dynamic
button.
button.
There's
There is
just
no button.
No, that's just the. Look, didn't I send you something
No.
in Discord in Resource Rampage?
Yes.
You need
this.
to copy the light button into the controls.
Well, we have
It's-
we have that, no?
Where?
What the fuck? Okay, I guess it's not there. In the first control set, right?
Yes.
Fucking hell, it has to be an object.
Er fragt sich, warum dann nur ein Up und das ist ja nicht mal ein Button.
Well,
Ey.
what the... Okay. Now it should button. Ooh, dark button.
It looks shit. We will do custom buttons later.
I like dark buttons.
No, we do custom.
They all say hi. Wait, what is the variable for the button text? Title,
Look in the
not
vanilla
not
pack.
title text. It is.
Do you want me to tell you or
I don't know where to find it.
in the vanilla resource pack? Server form. Button. Hello.
Button. Button.
I already see
Hashtag
it.
form button text.
Yes.
Okay.
Du, 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 du.
That was.
Oh.
Oh.
Okay.
Test 1, test 2. Okay, that works. Nice.
Yay.
Now, what should we do with the image? I didn't.
What do you mean?
This image just gets clipped off.
Oh yeah, you need to do a lot.
Yeah, I'll figure it out eventually.
Yeah.
Wait, where even is the image? Maybe I can do some. There. This is the image, right? Instead of making the image in here, gonna make it. Hold it. Inside the button.
So smart.
Right, not here.
I say it won't work.
Nah, believe. You just gotta believe. Okay. You were right.
Of course I was.
Of course I was.
If you want to do that, you need to do a custom button.
Mm-hmm.
Do you
Can't
want
I-
to do a custom button?
Preferably not.
It's actually extremely easy.
I probably need to go into the common files.
No. We do another one. We create one. We don't use reference.
Okay.
So yeah.
But all
You
of
can-
this uses reference. Okay, hold up. So I'm just gonna create a new element.
No, you don't.
No?
We changed the custom button.
But it. But
We
it
still need the
references-
stack panel. Just delete everything except everything inside the controller of the stack panel. So we have nothing. Only the element.
Nothing. Inside the stack panel. Where the heck is the stack panel? You mean like in.
We just delete everything inside of the dynamic bar.
The
Just
controls?
delete the controls. Yes.
Every single control. Okay, that's.
Yeah.
Stupid. But yeah, okay, sure. And then new element, probably.
Mhm.
Then.
Type button.
Type button. Whoa. Why does it say new object? Oh, because it needs a name. How should we name this?
Button.
Button. Very creative.
Of course, always.
Type button. That's legit a button type. Size. Doesn't need a size. Obviously it needs a size.
No.
No?
It doesn't. We just need default control.
Which is the default control is
And you
the
do hover control and press control.
hover control and press no, not press color.
You will probably need the bindings of the button. I can send you them.
I can just look in the
Please
common
hold.
file, no?
Oh, yeah.
Or you just send them to me. Oh yeah, those are the. Oh no, we don't even need to go into the common because this is the. Yeah, I know what it is. I know where. Okay. Question name.
And now it's extremely easy. You just do controls.
A controls.
Yeah.
Controls, and then.
And now you just do
Image.
default, hover.
Oh wait, I need to add controls for each.
Yeah.
Let me see. I want to see the example. The example doesn't have any controls.
Yes.
Shit.
No, I can. That's extremely easy. You just do default.
I mean default. The name is default.
Yeah.
Default
just,
dot.
just default.
Just default.
Because it's the default control. We defined it as default. We can't.
Default
You
control
see
is
it-
default.
Yes. And just do type image. Then it shows an image.
image. That's it. Like default, the name is default because default control is. What the hell? Okay, now I need to grab the image, which is. Do I need to?
I would do
Do I need?
textures, UI, buttons, purple or something.
Oh, this is like the button textures.
Mm-hmm.
Is that like just a texture? Yeah, there's a texture.
And then you need size.
Textures, UI, how's it called?
Buttons underscore purple. Button underscore purple.
Button purple. Alright. Size 32 by 32. And that is like the button image.
Yeah. Now you can go in Minecraft. On hover there won't be anything because we have.
Yeah, okay, but I think I know how to do it. Okay, yeah, it disappears. I see.
Cool. You did your own button.
Hey.
It's kind of funny
Okay,
when you
no,
hover
no.
over it.
Yeah, no, let me do the hover effect. Is there already a hover texture or how is it?
We could just do a different texture.
Just yeah, okay.
Button red. I'm sure there's a
That
button.
type image. Is there a way to increase the brightness? Is there like a bright?
There's a color thingy.
But it's extremely.
No, just do color and then 0.5, 0.5, 0.5.
That will darken it.
No, that will lighten it. Oh, you're right. Are you right?
We'll see. We will see.
We will see.
Yep, it will darken it.
But also cool.
Yeah. But now
You could
can-
increase the size to 34.
Yeah.
That would look cool.
34.
Yeah, the hover. So it
The hover.
slightly increases in size. Yes.
Oh, I see what you're trying to do. Alright, but I want to be brighter? Like 1.1? Is that possible?
Probably.
Maximum value. The value is above the maximum 1. Yeah. No. Then how do you make things brighter? You can only make things darker. I have an idea. That is like the weirdest way ever, but. Oh yeah. They're getting bigger. Okay, I have an idea.
Oh, that
So,
looks so cool.
we'll do this, right? And then we
Yeah.
can increase those to like 0.7. So we have the dark buttons, and when we like hover over them, they are getting brighter.
So smart.
Yeah. I mean, that works. Maybe 0.5 is a little bit too dark.
It looks
Too dark.
so dynamic.
Dynamic. Let's just do this.
Bam, 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 bam.
But we cannot click them yet.
Oh yeah. I can click mine too. Give me a second, I will do something. Some magic.
Pressed. Okay, I'm just gonna do the press state.
Yeah, that's only important for smartphone users. Because we can't do press state on PC.
Does the sound play? Because I didn't hear a sound.
We can add a sound, we can add everything.
Ugh. Okay.
You just do sound name, click.
That's it.
Yes.
Okay, now hear me out. This. Sound name. Click. It's
Then you
just
need
click.
sound value and sound. Yeah. Sound random point click.
Alright. Unknown property sound name.
Why?
Am I supposed to have it inside the press state?
Oh no, inside the
Button.
button, not in the.
Okay.
Outside of the controls, but still inside the button.
Yeah.
And I'm trying to make the button pressable.
Hey. I hear nothing. Probably because you cannot press it.
Yeah, that would be the case.
Alright, let's make the button bigger. I want it to be around... Wait, does the button wrap?
What do you mean?
So that it goes into the next line?
Yes, it does. Just add more buttons.
I'm gonna increase the size because that's what I want to do.
Okay. But you still need to change the size of the stack panel, else they overlap.
We'll see. Oh yeah. I see. So.
Okay, I still have non-pressable buttons. Oh, I added that in.
Oh yeah, that's shit. Let's make it 74 pixels. 10 pixel distance from each other.
10 pixel distance?
Yeah.
Okay.
Gonna be big buttons.
Very.
Big button. Yeah. That's good though, that's good.
I have pressable buttons!
What do you have to do pressable buttons?
You need to add button mappings.
That sounds like fun.
I just stole them from Minecraft. There.
Button mappings.
But I don't have sounds. Only you have sounds.
Where do I add them? Just
Inside the button again.
okay,
Where the hover control is.
but not inside the control. Button mapping.
Does it work?
Yep, and it does the click sound.
Great.
Yeah, okay. Okay. So can I like insert like certain elements into like the texture?
What? What do you mean?
Like that something overlays this button.
Oh yes.
Do I just inside the default, for example, make a control?
No, you can just do it outside of the default. Just add another control if
Okay.
you want to always do it.
Okay, let me see.
Do you have the bindings?
Bindings. For
Yeah. Do you want the image of the button to be the image of the button that you added in JS?
oh, we can do that too, but
Then
I
you
want
want
to
to
do
do
something
that.
else. Yeah.
Just add that inside of the
Um,
controls.
image. We do not have an image yet. Let me quickly steal it from Minecraft. Form button image. Is it just?
It just gets the image of the button.
Oh, you already have. Yeah, that's exactly what I was looking at. Do I just need to copy the this element, or what?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And just put it inside the controls.
Really? That easy?
Of course.
But it will now be very small. We
Oh,
can
yes.
change it.
16 by 16.
Okay. So, let's do it 32 by 32. Then offset X and then Y. Then let's offset it by 10. Wrong 10. Why is it inverted?
Just
Minus 10,
Minecraft.
yeah, but... But why?
Okay, I might try to make it follow my cursor.
Alright.
But I don't want to, it's so annoying. I don't have a clue.
Okay, and then I'm gonna make another image.
Is there like item tooltip in
Wait, can I just add a random control and it will just be added?
you can just add anything, yes?
Okay. So...
Oh, item text label. Mm-hmm.
Can you do like static colors, or does it have to be always a texture? That you can like have a element that has a certain color, or does it have to be a texture?
Just use a white texture, blank texture.
So it has to be textures, okay. Or rather images.
So how do I make it follow the mouse?
Can I do 100% or fill? We'll see.
Both the same.
We'll see. We'll see. Yeah, no, it did not work. Maybe I need a layer.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to like add a image that's slightly darker to like. Wait, hold up. Maybe it works. Nope. All right, I'm gonna draw it. Okay. So I have image, right? And then you have a thing here that is a little bit more that is darker, and then you would have like the text here. You know, that's what I'm trying to do.
Oh yeah, okay.
So what I did is I added an element called background. It's an image, size, blah blah blah, and it's just a button purple with the color this.
Is it even inside the controls? Yes, it is.
It is inside the controls.
Size. Do size 100%, 100%.
100%, 100%.
Oh no, you don't need to just... Okay, I was wrong. Sorry.
So what?
Just do this. The X1. Whatever you want. How big it needs to be. Fill doesn't work because we haven't declared a size for the button.
Okay. So it's 64.
And percentage too. Doesn't work too.
Okay, okay. Makes sense.
And just anchor it at bottom middle.
Oh yeah.
Then you
yep.
can add inside that another control with the label.
Yep, that was what is.
Does it disappear on hover?
It doesn't disappear. It rather it doesn't scale with the hover.
Okay, yeah. That you would need to add multiple.
So wait, do I need to? I have those states, right? Where there? How can I do multiple states? I need to have multiple states of this.
Why?
Like this is like calling the default the hover control hover, right? With
Yes.
this hover texture, right? But I
Yeah.
also want the hover state to be applied to like whenever the element the other thing gets called.
Yeah, you just need to add controls inside the hover element, default element.
Controls. Oh,
And
so
you
I
add-
control and inside that I do the background.
So it scales.
Okay. Makes sense. So first of all, default. I'm just gonna controls. Controls.
What did I want? Inventory, right?
Yes.
In Inventory screen, probably. Now, item. Is there like selected item? Selected item.
Oh, where did the size go?
There's a selected item details factory.
Uh,
I don't understand.
Same, bro. But I'm getting there. Wait,
You're getting there.
my food. Be right back. Hello, I'm back. I'm sorry.
Okay.
You're all still here? Alright. Have I pressed? Alright. Hello.
Hey Pablo,
Ja,
was geht?
nicht?
English. Sorry,
Yeah.
guys.
No, it's fine that I'm just... What the actual heck did I do? Bro, Pablo, I think I broke something.
You think so?
Maybe.
What is that?
I don't know, it
That's
only...
pretty.
It only does something when I hover the image one, or the first one.
I don't get it.
I literally just added control and then this background thingy. How does that make sense? Maybe it's not supposed to be 64 times 64. I'm fucking idiot.
Is the image inside of the
It's an image inside of image.
controls? I don't think so,
Yes.
right? Where?
It controls. And then
No, I mean the Apple.
the apple
Not
is
important.
the it's down here. It's
Where?
There. I hid it. See? Alright, let's see. Maybe it was because I think I know why that happened though. So it should be good. Oh yeah, that looks better. Almost at least. Well, but why is it only applying like for the first element? Like the first one works as I expected, okay? This is like exactly how I wanted. But the other ones,
It's so weird.
I know. Like the Wait, maybe it's because it has an image. Let me add an image to the second one. Did Mojang change entity hit? Not really. Why? Alright. Wait, no, I just have to reload. No, it... Why is it only working on the first element? Now this is confusing.
Can you send me the code?
Okay.
Do.
Because it wasn't working for me. Well, that doesn't necessarily have to do with Mojang. But, let me say like that, they did recently update the event system. So maybe you're onto something.
Mm-hmm.
I literally heard how his phone ran out of battery.
Me too.
Bro. Oh my god.
Ooh, do.
Is it because the hover state, or like any kind of state, applies the controls to all of it, and
Nope.
not just... I don't think
The
so.
hover works, but the other thing doesn't.
Which one?
The blacken thing. It blackens the shit.
Oh yeah, but it works on the first element. You see that?
Yeah, I know.
But what?
Don't ask. Accept.
No!
Wait, let me see. So what if I do this?
This is so weird. I don't think it's a layer issue either, so I don't know. And it's also not related to the image, because even with...
Mm. I'm a single lady. I'm a single lady.
What?
That's actually so weird. Probably because of that. I don't know. Try.
What did you change?
Nothing.
Okay. Oh, we already have the form button text binding. Okay, so that's gonna make things easier. Would I? No, I'm just gonna figure it out.
I have fixed it.
Whoa, what is it?
Layer issue.
That one time where I don't think that is it, because it's never it. It is the layer. Nah, you're
Oh.
trolling. that one time. Legit. Man, it's never the layer issue. But then,
Layer 100.
what do you expect from me? Like, I just want to make sure.
Er
Yeah,
hat
now
so
it's
3
working.
Sachen mit Layer, irgendwann der ist Layer 1000. Whoa. Crazy.
Woo!
Okay. Well, I got to go.
No,
Good luck.
thanks.
I will do some textures for you, for the buttons, later.
Thank you, man.
No problem.
Thanks,
Adios.
bro. Bye bye. Okay. Let's make a label called button text. I know we're creative. Where the label type label text, and then we'll grab ourselves the form button text, I think, and then we'll also grab ourselves the anchor. And now we should have an UI. Whoa, 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 layer issue. Layer issue. For sure it's a layer issue, right? Okay. That's something. It's all just title text. What's the difference between TypeScript and JavaScript? TypeScript has types. What is a type? A number is a type. A string is also a type. And in JavaScript, you can mess around with types. You can, I don't know, combine them, you can mix them up. And TypeScript doesn't allow you to do that. And TypeScript is probably also the reason why you have auto completions. Yeah, I don't know why it doesn't say form button text. I literally just form button text, label, or text, form button text. But no text is there. Let's offset it right, and then I'm gone. Wrong offset, I guess. Yeah, that was around 5. Really? It's like 7. Alright, that looks good to me. So yeah. That's it for me. For me. So yeah, bye bye guys. Check out my website, subscribe to my YouTube, whatever the fuck. Bye bye.